You have probably heard or you're aware of rental properties being an amazing offset on your taxes to your ordinary income. What does all that mean in layman's terms? Active income, which is considered ordinary income by the IRS, is taxed very differently than passive income, which rental properties fall into that category. Taxes are way more advantageous for passive income than they are active income. If you're an adult, you've probably figured out how gnarly the taxes are on that active income or ordinary income. And if you have looked into real estate investing for 5 seconds, you're probably aware that rental properties can help offset this, meaning it can bring down the amount of taxable income that you're taxed on. Sounds great, right? I have people coming to me all the time saying, hey, I know I need to buy rental properties. I especially want to do it by the end of the year. I need it for the tax help, da 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 da. The one thing most people are missing when they have that idea in their head, which is a very valid idea, is they haven't talked to their accountant yet. This is my advice, possibly my shortest video on my entire channel. Talk to your accountant first, because you want your accountant to tell you what essentially box you need to be operating in. How much money do you need to put into properties in order to get the biggest tax savings and really maximize those tax benefits? You probably don't know that answer on your own. And also, when I say accountant, I'm talking about someone who hopefully specializes in real estate investing, in real estate, or if they don't specialize in it, they do it a lot, because those rules are always changing. You don't want just any tax person, no offense to all the other tax people, but you want someone who does this on a regular basis and who are used to doing portfolio strategizing with people. So hands down, biggest advice possible is before you make any decisions, go talk to your accountant, period. I can't tell you what that number is. Every single person's situation is different. What your ordinary income is, what your investable cash is, it's going to vary for everyone. So there's not going to be an answer for you on the internet. Go talk to your accountant. That's the end of this spiel. But I will say that this whole thing plays into a bigger conversation, which is strategy. Developing a strategy and having a strategy as a real estate investor is crucial for you to maximize the returns that you're getting. There are so many different things and tools and resources and tax codes, and I'm not even talking just taxes, but like laws, everything. There are so many things that are at your disposal to help you maximize the returns as an investor. So check out my video linked below, where I kind of run through in a little bit more detail the importance of strategy. And I also list out some of those resources, things to consider to help you tighten up that strategy. Tons of resources available in that video. Check it out below. And if you are as big a fan of tax savings and strategy and maximizing returns as I am, hit that like button before you go. Thought I'd ask.